Just not sitting here starving. Listen, you started the fight, so get up and make the mood happy. Come on. This is your fault.
Denise girl is one of the hottest girls I've seen. Man, you don't want to leave a chick like that by herself.
I do not want to see this kid ever again in my entire life.
Hello. It has come to our attention here at Shards of Glass that some of our products are in fact addictive and deadly when used correctly. Therefore, we are shutting down production and calling for an immediate recall of Shards of Glass products until we can provide consumers with a safer line of broken glass-filled treats. You can learn more about this recall by visiting shardsofglass.com. Thank you.
Somebody broke in and trashed the house. What's the problem with the ghost?
What is that? It's Hannah Katie.
Oh, this is weird.
Damn, Mom, that dog's gonna break his leg.
Alright, hold on.
Come on, Bruno. You can't tip it. He being lazy. Come on, Bruno. Come on. Last hot dog. Okay, well, come on, bro. One more try. One more try. Lower. Jump. Jump, Bruno. Jump, Bruno. Come on, Mom. Bruno. 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 Look, lower too. Come on.
The number one movie in America is the
Yay.
It's hugely entertaining.
I've been epic.
This is our time. The social